Hello everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating a wonderful posture with multiple health benefits. The name of this posture is Parsvottanasana. Regular practice of this posture is known to correct the round and drooping shoulders. The practice of Parsvottanasana may also help you to attain advanced posture like Hanumanasana or front split. Before we know how to do this posture and also know the benefits of this posture, please subscribe our channel and also like, share and comment as this motivates us to continue posting the useful videos on yoga. Parsvottanasana is a combination of three words. Parsva means side, Uttanna is intense stretch and Asana is posture. The name of this pose states that side of the chest is stretched. The first step in this posture is to join the palms behind the back and draw the shoulders and elbows back. Now spread the legs sideways apart 3 to 3.5 feet. Now turn the right foot 90 degrees towards the right and left foot inwards roughly about 70 degrees. Turn your whole body towards right. Look up, inhale. Exhale and bend forward. Now if you are flexible, your lips or forehead should touch the right knee or bend as much as possible. Stay in this posture, breathing comfortably for 20 seconds or half a minute. Now we shall repeat this posture on other side. Raise your trunk. Correct both your feet. Now turn your left foot left side 90 degrees and right foot inwards. Now turn your whole body towards left. Look up, inhale. Now exhale and bend forward from the waist. Now again, if you are flexible, your lips or forehead should touch the left knee. Now continue breathing deeper comfortably. Stay in this pose for equal length of time. Now slowly raise your trunk. Turn to your right. Correct both your feet. Come back to Tadasana. Now let us know the benefits of Parsvottanasana. This asana makes your legs flexible and relieves stiffness in hamstrings and hip joint. The abdominal organs are contracted, which may help in proper digestion. Shoulder mobility is improved. This posture corrects round and drooping shoulders. Thank you for watching the video till the end.